Masters in Mass Communication at St. Aloysius College. We offer specialization in print and new media, corporate communication and broadcast media. Admission open for 2 years post-graduation course. Contact
Anybody can be an artist. Helps your mind to be refreshed. ಪ್ರತಿ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಇದೆ.
Good evening viewers, welcome to another edition of Campus Eye. Today our team brings you a special feature on the evil effects of tobacco use. May 31st was the day on which the entire world stood against the harmful effects of tobacco consumption.
Every year on 31st May, World Health Organization and partners everywhere mark World No Tobacco Day, highlighting the health risks associated with tobacco use and advocating for effective policies to reduce tobacco consumption. Tobacco use is one of the most preventable cause of death globally. The theme for World No Tobacco Day 2013 was Ban Tobacco Advertising, Promotion and Sponsorship. The ultimate goal of World No Tobacco Day is to contribute to protect present and future generations not only from these devastating health consequences but also against the social, environmental and economic scourges of tobacco use and exposure to tobacco smoke. The global tobacco epidemic kills nearly 6 million people each year, of which more than 6 lakh are non-smokers dying from breathing second-hand smoke. Unless we act, the epidemic will kill more than 8 million people every year by 2030. Tobacco is inhaled through bidi, cigarette or hookah or is chewed as such. In moderate doses, it tends to stimulate the higher center of the brain and has soothing effect, but in large amounts it has sedative effect. Continuous use of tobacco makes a person addicted to it. Some of the adverse effects of tobacco on the human health are: tobacco use causes cancer of lungs, mouth and larynx. Cigarette smoking is the main cause of lung cancer. Tobacco chewing is a proven cause of mouth cancer. Heavy smokers suffer from bronchitis and shortness of breath. Tar present in smoke of tobacco deposits in the nose, throat and lungs, causing cough and irritation. Nicotine present in tobacco may cause premature hardening of arteries, leading to rise of blood pressure and heart attacks. Bidi and cigarette smoke may contain carbon monoxide, hydrogen cyanide and unoxidized nicotine. All these substances are highly injurious to health. Dr. Keshav Pai, the Associate Professor of KMC Hospital, spoke to Campus Eye about the evil effects of tobacco consumption.
As a result of regular usage, it will affect the health of the individual. Not only the mind, it will affect mainly the physical health of the individual. Like say for example, he will get chronic cough, he will get lung infection and it will give a bad smell to the breath of the individual. And basically the teeth and gum are also affected. And you can see the nicotine stain on the lip. The chronic user will have a black lip and staining of tobacco on the teeth also we can see. So there is generally discoloration of the teeth and bad breath when they talk and what we call it as halitosis. Due to the regular usage of smoking in any form, person will get a disease called as lung cancer. Sometimes it could be just an effect of chronic smoking. If it is started at an young age, person's life expectancy also will come down. Gradually he will get various lung infections in the form of pneumonia or some other infections.
So far you are watching a feature on the harmful effects of tobacco use. We'll now take a short break.
Masters in Mass Communication at St. Aloysius College. We offer specialization in print and new media, corporate communication and broadcast media. Admission open for 2 years post-graduation course. Contact